Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and I work at the Tech Center. Today I'm going to show you how to wirelessly project onto the screen using Ramcast. And reporting me today is one of our devices called the Swivl. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to connect. What we'll do is open up one of the apps on our device called Solstice. Once Solstice is open, we want to make sure that our wall panel is on. So I'm going to walk over to the wall panel and I'm going to turn it on. And while I'm there, I'm also going to click the button Ramcast because that's how we want to project today. Okay, now that our screen is powered up, we want to go back to our device that we've opened up Solstice on and put in the right requirements so our page will project. We're going to select a recently used IP address since we've been in this room before. We are currently in room 211 in Recitation Hall, so we will click 211 Ramcast. If we've never used this room before, we would select the enter IP address. We would find the IP located right at the front of the room on our screen that we want to project on. What we would do is simply type that address into our software on our device and the room would show. But in this case, we've used this room before, so we will just select a recently used room. Now that we found our room and we have the IP set up, we want to enter our screen key. The screen key is located on the screen that we want to project on. The screen key is something that changes every session, so we want to make sure that we locate the screen key and enter it correctly every time. In this case, the screen key is M943. So we're going to type that into our device. And we'll click OK. Now that we've selected OK, we have 3 additional options. Share something via desktop, app window, or media file. Today we want to share something via desktop. So we'll select desktop. Once we have selected desktop, our screen is projected. And as you'll see on the main screen, it is featured. Now we can minimize our Solstice app and go about our presentation. We can show anything that we want as our screen is simply duplicated. Everything that is shown on our laptop is shown on our larger screen projected. Once we are finished our session, we would simply open the Solstice Client app back up and click Disconnect in the top right corner to disconnect our session. It will ask you, do you want to leave? And we'll say yes. And now we are disconnected and no one can see the screen that we are sharing. To finish the session, all we would do was go back to the wall panel and click Turn Off. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you appreciated this presentation of how to use Ramcast.